Once upon a time, there were three brother pigs with the last name Little. The first one was named Percy Little. He lived in a house made out of twigs, foil gum wrappers, and popsicle sticks. He was a very silly pig and was always playing foolish pranks. Paul, the second pig, lived in a plain cottage. He was more sensible than Percy. The third brother, Parker, lived in a brick house. He was the most sensible of the three little pigs. One day, Percy decided to play another of his pranks. He called Paul on his cell phone.
Oh my, oh no, help, Paul, help.
What is it?
There's a big bad wolf. He's right outside my door. He's threatening to huff. He says he's going to puff. I think he might blow my house down.
Don't worry, Percy. I'll take care of the wolf. I'll be right over.
Paul raced over to Percy's house. When he arrived, there was no wolf. Percy fell on the ground and rolled around giggling.
Ha 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 ha, I got you. No, wait. You fell for it, I got you. You should see the look on your face.
That's not funny, Percy. You shouldn't call someone up on your cell phone pretending a wolf is out to get you.
But Percy didn't listen. The next day, he decided to play the same prank on Parker. Percy started up his computer and sent Parker an email.
Help, help, a big bad wolf has broken into my home. He stole my cell phone. I'm hiding in here in the bedroom sending emails. You have to rescue me.
Oh no, this is terrible. Don't worry. I'll be right over.
Hurry, he's threatening to huff. He says he's going to puff. I think he might blow my house down.
Parker raced over to Percy's house. When he arrived, once again, there was no wolf. Once again, Percy fell on the ground and rolled around giggling.
It works every time. You look even funnier than Paul. A big bad wolf. Yeah, right. Like one is really going to just show up and start huffing and puffing.
Laugh now, Percy. This is no way to behave. A wolf may not be blowing your house down, but you're certainly blowing your credibility.
Credibility. Ooh, a big word from Parker Little. I think I'll start calling you Professor Parker.
Parker stormed out of Percy's house and went home. But Percy seemed to hardly notice. Then, around midnight, he heard a knock at his door.
Who is it? It's the big bad wolf. Yeah, right. I recognize your voice, Parker. Nice try. I'm the pranks master, and nobody out pranks me. Let me in. Let me in.
Percy looked through the peephole in his door. It certainly wasn't Paul. It didn't look like Parker. It really was a big bad wolf.
What do you want? I'm here to huff. I'll also be doing some puffing. In the end, I suspect that I will have succeeded in blowing your house down. That's my plan. I'm not going to eat you or anything, but when I'm finished, you'll need to find a new abdobe. Help! Help! There's a big bad wolf at my house. He's threatening to blow my house down.
Percy cried for help. He yelled so loudly that Paul and Parker could hear. But they assumed it was just another of Percy's pranks. He kept on shouting, but nobody came. True to his words, the big bad wolf blew Percy's house down. The next morning, Paul and Parker came to visit. They found Percy sitting sadly in the ruins of his house. They helped him build a new house, but they also gave Percy some advice.
Never cry wolf as a joke. Never cry wolf as a joke. Pretty soon no one will believe you anymore. Then when a big bad wolf really shows up on your doorstep, no one will help you.
It is a matter of trust. Percy, we have to be able to believe the things you say. As Paul says, never cry wolf.
I've learned a very important lesson today. I don't know how to thank you. Paul, Parker, can I offer you each a stick of gum?
I don't want a stick of your trick pepper gum.
I'm not falling for that again.
Okay. Sorry, no more pranks now. I really have learned my lesson.
The end.